Sweet potato chips are the perfect simple snack, but getting them light, crispy, and evenly cooked takes a little bit of technique. With this method, you'll get perfectly crispy golden chips every time. Here's how to do it. Start with a medium sweet potato and slice it as thinly as possible. Using a mandoline works best, but a sharp knife works too. Next, soak the slices in cold water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step removes excess starch, which is important to help the chips crisp up. After soaking, drain and pat them dry completely with a paper towel, and I mean completely, because any moisture left on the slices will create steam, making them soft instead of crispy. Then toss the slices with olive oil, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, paprika, and cumin, plus salt and pepper to taste. The nutritional yeast adds a savory, almost cheesy flavor, while the spices bring out the natural sweetness of the potato. Arrange the slices in a single layer in your air fryer basket, making sure that they aren't overlapping, so we recommend making these in batches. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping them halfway through, and keep an eye on them. Since they're thin, they can go from crispy to burnt pretty quickly. Once they're golden and crisp, let them cool for a few minutes, and to make sure they turn out perfectly every time, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. If your chips came out soft, make sure that they're thin, fully dried, and spaced out in the air fryer. If they're burning too fast, lower the temp slightly, or cook them for a minute or two less. If they're not crispy enough, let them air fry a little bit longer, but keep an eye on them. And if you want to switch up the flavors, try one of these seasoning combinations instead. And that's it! Crispy golden sweet potato chips with just a few simple ingredients. Enjoy them on their own or pair them with your favorite dip. And if you're looking for a high protein option, stay tuned for our YouTube video featuring these 3 easy dip recipes. Don't forget to follow Noom!